few
then he
minutes to get
stops.
wet.
I know he always does, like when I bust the camera out.
Clap, 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 clap.
You clapping? Yeah. It's always there's some new sound or like some new movement you know they figure out and it's like the newest thing for a week or a week and a half and then they
Now
find
it's a
something
bit.
new. He's already stopped kind of doing his little no thing. He does it a little bit.
He started today.
Not like but not like he was for a few days there.
He just
doing it
everything fits.
constantly.
That's
When you're
'cause
trying to
you
feed
tell
him and then
no.
he'll stop shaking his head and he'll eat.
No,
He did it.
no.
He did it, yeah. Saw Cedar do it.
No. I don't want that anymore.
Oh, yeah, well, he learned that and said that to you back.
How's that go? I don't want any more breast milk.
Go fishing.
Fishing for some boogies.
Come on, dig in there and get a good one.
Oh,
Put it
do
on.
not promote nose picking.
We'll promote it for Kyle later.
Huh?
Get
We'll
it.
promote it for Kyle later.
Just do it.
Shh, Kyle's sleeping.
They're gonna be like, your baby talks already?
He's pretty fast.